Today, we are going to talk all about how you can enhance your 3 to 4 month old baby's development and activities you should be doing with them. Hey, it's Morgan. Welcome to the Passable Parent channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Your baby at 3 to 4 months old is social. They are cooing, smiling, and increasingly more alert. Your 3 to 4 month old baby has limited depth perception and still prefers those black and white images. Your baby can open and shut their fists, usually around 4 months old. Your baby can even recognize at this age the people who take care of them and their voices. Your baby has better eye control and can use their eyes to follow you and moving objects. Your baby can hold their head upright at this age with only the occasional head bobbing. At this age, your baby should be able to hold their head up during tummy time and also should be able to prop their chest up using their arms during that tummy time. Your 3 to 4 month old will bat at objects and watch what happens. Your baby may also start to bring objects towards their mouth, which actually helps them learn about their world. Your baby will hold a baby ring if it's placed between their fingers and palms and bring it to their mouth to explore. This typically happens around 4 months of age. Your baby is learning to control their arms and their legs more and more each day. Your baby can also grasp and hold objects with both hands, usually around that 4-month mark. Your baby can start to turn their head to see a person if they hear a familiar voice. They also are starting to coordinate their hearing, vision, and muscle control. Your baby should also be able to roll towards the end of this age range. At 3 to 4 months old, it's important for parents to provide their baby the following activities to give them the best start possible in life and enhance their learning and brain development. The first is, of course, that tummy time. Parents, I can never stress this one enough. Tummy time is one of the greatest gifts you can give your baby and lays the foundation for all other skills. Tummy time strengthens the head, neck, back, core, and chest, and it's never too late to start. If you are struggling with tummy time, make sure to check out my full video and tutorial on tummy time and how to help make it enjoyable for your baby. By 4 months of age, you want to be trying for at least 60 minutes of tummy times a day. Now, this can be broken up in many different sessions throughout the day. You don't need to be doing this 60 minutes all at once. The second thing is mirrors. Give your baby plenty of opportunities to study their own reflection. I'll link some great baby-safe mirror toys in the description box below if you're interested and want to check them out. Get down on the floor with your baby and let them practice looking at their reflection. They may start cooing and making noises at the baby in the mirror. Offering the mirror during tummy time is also a great way to extend that tummy time and keep your baby happy during this time. They also sell little flashcards with mirrors on them that you can hold up near your baby's face to play. The third thing you should be doing is giving your baby guided and narrated house tours as well as tours and time outdoors. Give your baby plenty of tours in their home environment and explain to them all the different things they are seeing. It is so important for your baby's future language skills to hear you speak to them, and research shows a link between the more words spoken to a baby and their intelligence. Time outdoors in that fresh air is wonderful for you and for your baby and exposes them to new sights, sounds, and experiences for their growing brains. And it doesn't matter if you live in a busy city or out in the country, that outdoor time is super important. The next thing you should be doing is providing your baby with plenty of supervised floor time. This means lots of unrestricted movement and time on the floor, which helps their developing brain outside of those containing devices. You also want to offer your baby more complex black and white cards to look at. Your baby's vision is improving and they are becoming more aware. Make sure to offer them more complex black and white flashcards and books to keep their brains stimulated and interested. I'll link some of these and everything else I mentioned in the description box below. Give your baby plenty of opportunity to bat at toys with their hands and arms and kick at them with their legs. Your baby is learning how to control their arms and legs, so this is crucial for their development. You can place crinkle toys down by their feet or hanging noise-making toys from their play gym so that they start to learn cause and effect. When they kick or move their arms and it hits one of those toys, they hear a noise and it incentivizes them to keep doing it. Offer your babies some time in just their diaper or loose clothing to help them learn how to move those arms and legs freely. Offer your baby toys such as textured balls. I'll make sure to link these down below in the description box for you. Textured balls are great for your baby's development because it's so important to offer them a variety of different textures to examine, explore, reach, and grasp for. It's also important to allow them to mouth these different textures as long as you check to make sure none of these toys have any loose or small pieces that baby could potentially choke on. Studies show that when babies mouth objects, it actually helps with speech and language development, and it also prepares your baby to be more open to different textures of food once you start introducing those in a few months. You also want to be giving your baby lots of back and forth cooing conversations to encourage their cooing and development of those language skills. Repeat your baby's sounds back to them. This encourages them to keep communicating with you. Give your baby lots of face-to-face time, making eye contact with them, speaking to them, and singing to them. Your face and hearing your voice continues to be two of your baby's favorite things. And finally, keep providing your baby that skin-to-skin time. That's your baby down to their diaper with their bare chest and tummy on your bare chest and tummy. This is so important for bonding between baby and parents and promotes so many beneficial benefits for their health and yours. I hope this video was helpful and gives you some great activities to be doing with your 3 to 4 month old baby to enhance their development. Please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see me cover in future videos. Thank you so much for your time today and for your support. I hope to see you in the next video.